guys, I'm back and I'm feeling very lazy to do makeup, so I thought I'd show my makeup collection to you and give a little review about it. So it may help you, I guess. So yeah, let's get started. I'll start with my eyeshadow palettes. This is a Mars shimmery eyeshadow. Not really good. No, I recommend you not to buy it. Okay. So yeah. It's a Sunrise Cherry Blossom eyeshadow palette and I really like it. The colors are so good. It's shimmery. I really like it and it's really pigmented. You can use it and it's really affordable. This is a Huda Beauty palette which is not real, okay? Because my father won't allow to buy a eyeshadow palette for 5,000 rupees. These are the colors and it works for me. It's really nice. The colors are really nice. You can see it's pigmented too, so you can buy it. For beginners you can. The nudes from Maybelline, and I feel like every makeup kit should have it because these are the really basic colors you should have, and I really like it. Of course I like it. This is a really old palette of mine which is still working. I love this. I really love this. These are the basic. This is my brand new palette from Swiss Beauty Makeup Pro, and this has 100 colors and really affordable, and I really like it. I've used it once or twice, I guess. Yeah, once. I've used it once, and this is really pigmented. I've used this one and I really like it. Yeah, you can buy it, you know. This really. Now I'll show you the foundations I use. This is the Maybelline Fit Me and the shade is 238 Reach Tan, and this is Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation SPF 8 and the number is 04. And I have one more. Wait. Yeah, this is Sugar Foundation Stick. It's really nice. It's really nice. I really like this one. It's for heavy coverage, you know. You can't use it every time. It's for really heavy coverage when you go for photo shoot or something like that. This has brush too, and I really like this one. And it's very affordable. It's on Nykaa and they are having this huge discount. These are the eyeliners I have from Lakme Absolute Shine Line. This is green, this is golden, silver and black, the basic. This is the Conceal and Correct palette from Nykaa, and it really goes with my skin. They have different shades for your skin, you know. You can use it. It's really nice and really affordable, and it's creamy. The texture is so creamy. It's really nice. It's really nice. The concealer I use, Maybelline New York. Shade is, what's the shade? Okay, 20 Sand. It's really nice and goes with my. This is the BU Strobe and Define palette. It has contour, then compact, blush and highlighter. The compact is broken and this is the contour, this is the blush, this is the highlight. So this is the only primer I have, Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer, and I feel like you should have your primer according to your skin. Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter. I absolutely love it and it's really affordable. So this is my very first highlighter and I feel heartbroken that it's broken because this is the best highlighter. I still use it though, I still use it. And if you are buying highlighter, buy this one, Revolution Pro Illuminate. This is the best. Two mascaras, one is from Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara and one is from Mars. I don't know where I bought it from. It's nice too, you can buy it too, and these two are really. This is the eyebrow pencil I have from Sugar. It's really new. I have used it once or twice and it's affordable. You can buy it from Nykaa. This is it, and this is the brush. It's really nice. It's really nice. These are the Sugar Minis lipsticks. I didn't buy it. I got it from Nykaa. on some offer, you know. These are the lipsticks, really cute, and the shades are also very nice. I really like it. I didn't buy it though, so I don't know. I don't even know how much this costs, you know. This is the lipstick from Maybelline. The shade is, where's the shade? Plum Perfection, I guess. Yeah, this is nice. This is not matte. I really like it. And this is Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse. This is really nice. This one is really nice, though it doesn't really suit me, but I use it with a darker shade. I'll show you some of my nail polish collections too. These are from My Glam. This is the base and this is the glitter you use after the base, and I don't know how much this costs, I forgot. These are really nice, and this is another one. This is the third one. It's black and a shimmer. These three are from My Glam. This is from Nykaa, Unicorn Potion. I absolutely love it. I really love it. These are from Lakme. Really affordable. I really like it. This is my favorite. This used to be my favorite. This is the eyelash from Nykaa. Lash Talk Melodrama. This is for 200 rupees. It's really nice. This is the kohl I use. Maybelline New York Eye Studio. They're really nice. This is really nice. And I don't know how much this. So yeah, this is it. I hope it helps you a little. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And if there are any feedbacks, I'll really appreciate it. Please comment and stay tuned. I'll be back with another video really soon.